हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये है श्रीनगर का ताज डल व्यू होटल। वेरी नाइस प्लेस टू विजिट and stay. I will show you the interior of this hotel and also the restaurant, and you can enjoy the views of Dalview Lake. This is so beautiful property in the Srinagar and also the luxurious property of the Srinagar. Here we have entered the Srinagar Taj Dal View. Look at the interior designing of this hotel. This is a tea lounge area and this is a waiting area for check-ins. Look at the Kashmiri architectures and carvings on the paintings. This is a Kashmiri carpet that they displayed for the interior designing. So beautiful. You can enjoy your cup of tea while you are sitting in the waiting area, and also you can do the office work here and look at the views from their waiting areas. You can have online bookings and also you can book your rooms during check-ins. Look at the paintings, so beautiful. Now I will show you the restaurant of this hotel. So beautiful paintings. You can also book your any kind of ceremonies in their banquet hall. Now we have entered the restaurant. So beautiful interior designings. Wooden carvings. I will also show you the Dal view from this hotel because it is at highest point of the Srinagar. You can enjoy the every view of Dal view surrounded by the mountains. Now look at the views. So beautiful. This is a swimming pool of this property. You can also enjoy swimming and have bath. Kilometer surrounded by the mountains. You can have complete view from this hotel, and also you can have grills in the evening time, and the timing is 5 to 7 p.m. This is a tea lounge area and you can have a tea at that time, and also you can office work while sitting in this area. These carpets are traditional Kashmiri architectures. Now we came back from this hotel after booking my slots so that I can enjoy something new in the Srinagar. In the evening I will also come back. Now I have come back from the hotel after doing check-in. properties of Srinagar also. I will show you in the next parts the whole tour of Srinagar. Stay with me and so you can enjoy the various places with me of Srinagar. Do visit here. This is a safe place. No doubt after Pahalgam attack it is very difficult to survive. Please